Today we're going to make some honey liqueur, which is called Barenjager. It's pretty cool. It's pretty delicious. And I really like it. And I've been wanting to make this for quite a while. Recently ran some honey on the still. I got a bunch of 100 proof honey liquor. Now I'm going to make a honey liqueur with it. First step is the type of honey. You could use any type of honey you want. Whatever's easy, whatever's cheap, whatever's local to you. Or you could go fancy. There's a bunch of different kinds of honey out there, and they all taste different. So whatever honey you make this with, it's going to have a different flavor than another honey. I ordered some fancy shit from Amazon. It's a German honey, because this is a German drink, and I want to make it as close to the original as possible. This is what I got. It's acacia honey. It's made from acacia trees. Well, it's made from bees that, I guess, utilize the acacia tree. So, also, you can make this without any spices whatsoever. I'm going to put some spices in it, and but you can make it with just honey, water, and liquor. But I'll show you the spices that I'm going to use. In a saucepan, I'm going to put 2 cups of this honey. If you don't want to measure, just use a whole jar. This is if you get this same honey, this is a 17.6 ounce jar, 1.1 pounds. That's all I'm using. There we go. All right, now I'm going to add a pint of water. This is really good RO water. Don't use sink water for this. A small cinnamon stick, 3 allspice berries, 2 whole cloves, a pinch of ground cardamom, pinch, a little bit of orange peel, a little bit of lemon peel, half of a vanilla bean. Now cook it slow, low and slow. Just sit here and cook this for a little bit. That's all we need. After it simmers for about 5 minutes, you just turn your heat off and cool it down. Alright, now it's cooled down. I'm going to filter it. Now I'm going to add my liquor. It's a quart of 100 proof liquor. Stir it up. I'm going to add it back to the jar. Look at this super cool logo that I had AI make for me. Look at that. Super cool. I just told it what to do. And I, in the first, second, third attempt, I didn't like. Eventually I liked one. I got me an Avery label, put it in my printer, printed it out. These bottles, little Moonshine bottles, super awesome. I really like this. And this shit tastes great, by the way. I'm about to try it for you. Smells like honey. Tastes freaking great, dude. That's dangerous. That's so good. That'll get you laid, for real. If you like honey, you know what I'm saying? You have them chunky old bitches lined up with some biscuits waiting on that shit, son. That is fucking good. Try that recipe. Like I said, you could use any honey. I use that acacia. I think it's really good. I really like it. It's still strong enough to have a little burn. You know what I mean? If you wanted to tone that down with more water, you could drop that to, 60, 50 proof, no problems. But it's got a good color to it. It's got a super badass sticker. Honey liquor. One day it'd be cool to have something like that on the shelf in the store, but oh well. That's all I got today. I'm going to add this recipe to my blog if you guys need the written form of it. So check out the blog on philbillymoonshine.com. I got you a close-up of that honey, but if not, I'll put it in the description too, if you wanted to use that same exact honey. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.